Alrighty, good morning, good people. This is Jason here with Green Country Agroforestry, and today I'm going to be taking care of a little issue here. Let me show you what's popped up the last week or so. Right here is the feed container that we keep the duck feed in. So there's the feed for the ducks. And something has been getting at this thing and chewing away, and I was thinking maybe some kind of a rodent or something was getting at it and chewing at it. I can't really tell exactly what it is, but little tooth marks. And so I set up a live trap to hopefully capture whatever it was that had been getting in there. And this is what was in the trap this morning. Say hello. Say hi. Now there we have a possum with all those teeth. Are those the teeth? Are those the teeth of the thing that chewed into my tub? I don't know. Well, clearly I have no use for a possum, so I'm going to go take him or her. I don't know. I don't really want to know. I'm going to take this critter and release it someplace close by. Let me see. Yeah. I think to make the transition a little bit less traumatic, I'm going to put a cloth over the trap while I'm carrying it, so the animal isn't too stressed. Yeah, we'll try that out. So give me a minute. I gotta go grab something. I'm gonna put a cloth over our guest here. Yeah, and we'll get you relocated someplace where you won't be in so much trouble, huh? Yeah, someplace where get you relocated someplace where you won't be in so much trouble. All right. I don't want you running around here eating eggs, stealing food and stuff like that. You need to be in some place where there's a bit more variety in your diet than just what the ducks being kept by me can provide. That's a bad situation. Let's get you to someplace a little bit better, huh? Oh look, we've got an egg. Yeah, I let them out a little bit early this morning, so they gave us our breakfast next to their water tub. Okay, all right, back to you. Hi, how you doing? Hello, little fella, little lady, whatever you are. All right, here we go. That is for you. Apologies. That's for you. There we go. Okie doke. Moving right along. What? What is it? Do you know this one? Huh? Do you know this one? You've seen this one hanging out before, eating your food out of your out of your dish? I know I've seen them running for it, running for the dish whenever I come out here. If the lights have already gone out. You guys know this critter, huh? Yeah, they know this one. Mm-hmm. All right. So we're going to take one of the neighborhood's troublemakers here. Give her a relocation. Boy. Oh, elderberry's coming along nicely there. So is that mulberry. Are those? I think we may have fruiting spurs on the almond. That's going to be cool. I'd like to see some blossoms. May not see fruit, nuts, but the blossoms would be nice. Got to get that red bud there cleaned up. It's in the easement. There's actually a water main that runs through that easement. Alrighty. Walking under our Bradford pear tree. See those buds on it. It looks like it's getting ready to pop. A couple weeks from now. Here at the 1st of March. Coming over the former KD Railroad line. It's now a bike path. Part of the Tulsa County Park System. On this field here. Technically, I don't know who owns this particular field. It's Tulsa County knows it. So, guerrilla planting opportunities abound. Coming along this way. One of my neighbors over this way has some sheep. I think he has a couple of goats too. All right. Well, here we go. Here we are. We're right here at the edge of this wooded area. Okay. Here at the edge. Ooh. What are these that I see here? What is this? This is some sort of a vine, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, these are green. Sort of green vines growing. I don't recognize the type. Anyway, so here we are at the edge of this little wood belt. That tree right back there is a really, really big native pecan. There's another one back over that way. It's even bigger. I think maybe you can see the top of it over there. Probably about a good 120 feet up. Massive trees. All right, so this is a good spot. We've got deadfalls, and we've got live woods, and we've got places that you can go for habitat. All kinds of wonderful things. So all you've got to do is take this opportunity to take your freedom, if you want it. If you want it, you don't have to take it, but I would strongly recommend that, given the alternative, go ahead and move you on out of here. Huh? What? Don't tell me you love the trap. Do you love the trap? Look at this guy. Or do you love the trap so much? You love the trap so much. Go for it. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. There you go. Bye. Off you go. Off you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you go. Find yourself a nice place to hide. It's daytime. You don't want to be caught by some of these daytime predators. Off you go. Run along, be free. Good luck hunting ticks. Okay, so I've come to the woods and I've dropped something off. Let me take something from the woods with me. Give me just a minute here, okay? Just a minute. sad. The more you look, the more trash you find. It's just all over the place. It really is. It's all over the place. Just in the same way that your hedgerow or the edge of your forest, whenever you create forest edges, can capture and trap all that leaf litter and debris and start building soil up in there, and that's great. As long as you've got moisture to help aid the decomposition process. It can also trap all of this garbage too. Some stuff is amazing, right? But how did that get here? I mean, we get really strong wind, and so it'll blow. Yeah, somebody's trash can dumps over there in suburbia. Trash blows along. It isn't necessarily people are intentionally littering, but if nobody picks it up ever, it just accumulates. All right. Get our trap. We got our trap. We got some garbage. Took something we didn't want, dropped it off in the woods. Took something the woods didn't want. We're going to take it back and put it in the trash can. I'd say that's a pretty good day's work. Look over there, back behind me as we're passing by, those treetops that we're passing. Those are all Shumac, but they're not the fun Shumac. No, these are just plain old boring Shumac. Yeah. Staghorn is the one that produces the little lemonade flavored berries. Those are pretty cool. But these ones, they don't make anything. At least nothing for us. Alrighty. Here we go. Up and over. Woohoo. Yeehaw. Morning. And off they go. And that's something. Bicycles with motors. Yep. It's going to be a beautiful day. A beautiful sunshiny day. Okie dokie. Let's go this way. Good morning, birdies. They're running. Oh. Okay. There we go. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. My oh my, what a wonderful day. Probably shouldn't sing that song. All right. You hear all the birds? Yeah, they're happy. They're happy. I'm happy. Hopefully the ducks will be happy. There you go. Pick up that one egg out of the yard. So, egg count today: 3 hens, 1 egg. 3 hens, 1 egg. So far. They may yet lay another one before the day is over. They can be funny like that sometimes. Okay, well guys, we found today's video informative or entertaining, maybe a little bit of both, and if you did, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. Until then, get out there, get growing.